According to my dog, the Laroo Shooting Star is the best $15 I ever spent. I've spent it a few times. They only last a month or two, so I thought I'd see if I could fix one. Starting out with a 1/4-inch flat blade screwdriver, pry the electronic plug out of the ball. This turns out to be one of the most difficult parts of the operation. Using a smaller screwdriver here, I eventually had to use a box cutter to cut the plug free of the adhesive.
In this example, the battery remains attached, but a cold solder joint was easily repaired in place.
On another failure, the battery had become completely detached from the circuit board.
Here is the original 1015 LiPo battery with an impressive 1/4 watt-hour. Unfortunately, it's not available in my region. This test confirms the battery is the only problem. The circuit board contains 2 integrated circuits, a number of surface mount components, an LED on each side, and the very well secured tilt switch 2000D, which the manufacturer's datasheet shows as a pair of ball bearings in a housing. The other side with LED, slide switch, and USB charging port. Since the original battery's leads are too short to reuse, I found a replacement with about 1/3 of the capacity. $16 for 10.
This test shows that the battery charges. Here it is, well secured to the circuit board with excess hot glue. The circuit board's held in with a pair of Phillips screws, size 0. There's one side. Unfortunately, I broke the plastic on the other side. I've dry fit the board here and tacked it in. The whole assembly has been secured with hot glue. Now to put the plug back in the ball, notice there's a groove inside the ball where the bulge of the plug has to fit. This operation is much easier than removing it. I'm simply able to press it in with my fingers. And it still lights up. Here's my dog testing the repaired and reassembled ball. Thanks for watching.